A very good morning, children. Today we are going to start the third chapter, that is managing files and folders. So children, I hope everyone are safe and healthy in the situation of this epidemic, that is COVID-19. So don't worry, there will be no impact or a problem with your studies, because your school with you, your teachers with you, and your teachers will help you in your studies. So just keep study and stay home and safe, because we will get out of it very soon, and if we will fight with this epidemic together. So let us start with this chapter, that is managing files and folders. So what we have to learn in this chapter, we have to learn these topics. There are 8 topics. First, window explorer, creating and opening a folder, moving or copying a file folder, deleting a file and folder, restoring a file and folder, searching a file and folder, sorting files, working with the multiple applications. So children, today we are going to start this topic, that is window explorer. Okay, so children, let us start. Windows Explorer. Windows Explorer is an application that provides detailed information about files, folders and drives. It offers you to manage and organize your files and folders. You can also use it to view, create, delete, copy, move, rename and search files and folders. So let us start from the topic, that is open Windows Explorer. How to open a window explorer? There are some options or steps. First, what we have to do, we have to click on the start button, then click on the all program, and then click on the accessories, and then click on the Windows Explorer option. One more options are given, that is click on the start button and select computer option from the right pane, and then the Windows Explorer window appear. So now I will show you a picture of the Window Explorer. Okay, so children, look at this window. This is the window for components of the Windows Explorer. So let us start. This is an address bar. Look at this picture. This is all about the address bar. What is address bar? Address bar shows the complete path of the selected file or a folder. It means where your files and folders, it shows in this box. This is computer section. In computer there is some drives, that is new volume, and in this G drive your files or a folder name is appear. Okay, so this is the address bar. Now come to on the search box. This is a search box. What it helps, this options provides you the easiest manner to search any file or a folder. Means children, if you are not able to find any folder or a file, then you just open or click on these options and write the name of the file or a folder. It will help you to search any folders or a file. Now come to on this section. This is the navigation pane. Navigation means it shows you how many drives or folders in your computer. So this is the computer. Look at this image. This is the computer options, and there's a lot of drives are given. The volume, new volume E, new volume F and new volume G. These are the drives. Now come to on this section. These are the navigation pane, which shows all the drives and the folders of the computer. So in this section there is a lot of folders are given, and we can say these are the folders. When we select one of them, which is known as a current folder, means we are going to work on this folder which we are clicking. Now come to on the subfolders. Subfolders means that these are the folders of the current folder. When we click on these options, these folders will open, and these folders are known as the subfolders. When we click on these subfolders, any one of them, when we click on this, then all the files are display on the screen. And just look at this picture. When we select this subfolder, these files will display. So these files is the options or a files or a descriptions of a current folder. Okay, now come to on this view button. This view button shows you to which helps you to how the files and folders or documents will appears. Okay, so this is all about the Windows Explorer. These are the folders. This is the current folder. These are the subfolders of a current folder. These are the files of the subfolder. These are the new folder section, in which if you want to add one more folders, then we can select on these options. These are the drives. This is the address bar which shows the complete path of the files and folders. This is the search box which helps you to find the easiest manner to any files and folders. Now this topics are finished. So tomorrow we are going to start the topic that is creating or opening a folder. So thank you and have a nice day.